Hi, so I'm going to be explaining my program. So basically here for part 3 we had to add arrays and also the unit testing. So in part 3 I implemented array lists to store sent messages, which is here, disregarded messages, stored messages, message hashes, and message IDs and recipients. These arrays are populated during the program execution and they are not hard-coded. I also where is it? I added changes here to this method of the sent message method. So obviously in the comments it will tell you that this method controls whether a message can or can't be sent, and then the message also checks the length rule and if it's valid, if it generates the ID and hash. And then the stored messages here search for basically the message using its ID and the message belonging to specific recipients, and identifies like the longest stored message, which is over here. This identifies the longest stored message. And then delete a message, which is over here. When using its all of these methods are using a hash and using its hash and generate a report using the stored messages. I also implemented this method here with display report, the populate test data. Yeah, and then if we open this to the end, I added I added the test send message, test disregarded message option, test stored message option, test sent array, sent message array, test longest message, test search message ID, test search recipient, test delete message, and test display report. So these are basically my JUnit tests, and these all confirm that the arrays are populated correctly, that the longest message is being identified correctly, that the message searching works expected, and that messages can be deleted successfully, and as well as reports are generated correctly. Thank you.